Do you constantly get water going underneath your garage door every time it rains? Well, stay tuned. I got 4 tips for you on how to prevent this from happening. Hi friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. First tip that I want to share with you friends, and it's a very easy fix, is how to fix those small tiny gaps underneath your garage door where the seal and the garage floor concrete meets. And all it takes is pretty much just trying to adjust your garage door from open to close. So if you have a garage door opener that you can go and adjust from that system, that will be the great way to do it. Each garage door opener is different. I have the LiftMaster, so in this case I have the 3 buttons, and all you have to do is follow the instruction from your manufacturer and how to adjust those. Some of these garage door openers require the knobs to be turned by a Phillips head screwdriver, so I can just go and push it up and down to whatever height that I like, but it all depends. And just by adjusting the height adjustment of your garage door opener will definitely fix the problem. Another issue that might be causing the leak is your bottom garage door is pretty worn out. Now this garage door is fairly new. It's not even a year old yet, but you can see that the seal in the bottom, you can see the seal is not evenly pressed on when it goes down. It squishes inward and some of it squishes more outward. As you can see, it's very loose. Yeah, it's very flimsy as well. So actually I already made a video on this, on changing this bottom door seal on my parents' garage door, and if you're interested on that one, I go in detail on it. I'll leave the link right up here if you want to watch that after you watch this video. For the bottom garage door seal that I'll be replacing my old one with, is going to be this one right here. This one I just got off of Amazon. It's a universal type, and it's the same exact garage door seal that I used on my parents' garage door, and it works wonders. This is 20 feet long, and this should be more than enough to cover my whole garage door. They do come in shorter sizes as well. If you're interested, I'll leave the link on the description down below. What's great about this is the regular garage door seals that come in from the factory doesn't have this tube right in the middle. I'm just gonna go and slide this old garage door seal off, but to be safe friends, make sure you unplug your garage door opener before attempting this work. Depending on the condition of your old garage door seal, you can either keep it, but for this one, I'm just gonna throw away. They're about the same width. It should be an easy install because it has the same characteristics that should feed through the channels of our garage door. All we're doing right now is feeding it through these 2 channel slots right here. Here's a quick tip friends, if you're having a hard time trying to feed this through, I would suggest that you go and spray these channels here with white lithium grease.
When did it go? Where did it go?
So I'll tell you friends, it was definitely a lot faster and easier with 2 people. I'm glad that my wife was there to help me out to feed this through. And it looks a lot better than the old one. Just make sure friends, don't cut it to fit yet until you fully feed it, and then cut off the excess after that because you don't want to run short. Take your utility knife and extend it all the way out like that. And then I would go 1/2 inch past the metal edge, so do you have a little bit of excess to play with. And there's the excess. So as you can see, here's the new seal. It looks a lot better and definitely doesn't look like it's squished, and it looks a lot more even all throughout. Definitely you're not gonna see any light through there. So this is your other option. Now let's go to the next option. Sorry to interrupt you right quick, but if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button down below. It'll greatly help out the channel. Thank you so much. And don't forget friends, I'm giving away 2 $50 gift cards every single week to 2 lucky winners. It's very easy to enter. All you gotta do is be a subscriber, like and comment on any video that I post within this week, and I'll be posting the winners on my community tab on my YouTube channel every single Sunday. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks so much friends, let's get back to the video. Another way of preventing water or rain from going inside your garage is adding this garage door threshold seal. So this is going to be applied onto the floor of your garage. Now I'm going to show you how to prep your garage floor before applying this. So let's go. This garage door threshold seal I got off of Amazon. I got length 20 feet. That should be enough to cover it with a little bit of excess so I can cut it off. But before we apply this thing, I'm gonna go and prep out where I'm gonna glue, because we're gonna glue this to the floor. I'm gonna prep up this by using a brush. You can use a brush or any type of brush tool, but this one's gonna speed up the process. This is actually an attachment brush bit that you can put into your drill, just like so. And I'll leave this on the link along with this threshold seal on the description down below if you're interested. But this makes the job super easy on cleaning up where we're gonna lay it down. I lowered my garage door, sandwich it between the garage door seal. Want to slide it over a little bit more, you can, but the problem with that is you will need to adjust your garage door after installation, because you're going to have about ½ inch that you're trying to push the garage door to go down. So you might have to adjust the height again, and you might have to refer to tip number 1 where you have to adjust it manually, or you have to go to your garage door opener and do it that way as well. A silver Sharpie, like so. I'm just gonna mark it right here. Now for this end, this is your track. You can customize this as much as you want. Okay, so I highly suggest that you guys wear cut resistant gloves when you're working with anything sharp. See that? Then I'm just gonna shove that in there. I got the strip aligned and centered to where I like it. Now I'm gonna go and mark it now with the marker. After you make your mark, then we can take out the strip. Now from your original line, you want to go about ½ inch inwards on both sides. The caulk that I'm going to use is this Gorilla Heavy Duty. This one is a construction adhesive, and if you're interested on the same one that I'm using here, I'll leave the link on the description down below. So we're going to follow the inner line like so. We're going to go on a zigzag pattern, just like this. Now, if you're wondering if the one tube is good and enough, it definitely is. Plus, I had a bunch of extra left, so one tube should be sufficient for this. What's great about this is that it's right here. This is what you want, all weather. So to make it easy on ourselves, we're going to start with one side first and work our way. And go even step on it while you're aligning. And you hear a little bit of popping sound, all the air bubbles coming out from underneath. While the glue is still wet, you can still definitely move this around to align it. If you want to make some adjustments, we're going to go close the garage door so that it can go and sit on top of this, so that while it's curing, it should take about 24 hours for this to cure. And yeah, just leave it there till it dries, and that's pretty much it. This next one is very easy fix. Go and look around your garage door where the door meets up with this seal right here. Sometimes if you observe this seal, sometimes it could be either cracked or damaged. And when you see any cracks or damage from here where it's not making any connection to the door itself, maybe it's time to go replace this. So the next time you go look at your garage door, look around the seal from top to bottom. And if it's not making contact with this right here, maybe that's your issue, or maybe you just want to improve it, and you can improve the garage door hinge on this door. I made a specific video on how you can improve this garage door from pushing outward towards the seal by updating or upgrading your garage door hinge. I'll leave the link up here. Check out this video right here. I think you will find that very helpful. After you watch this video, make sure you check this video out. So down below, and you're observing, just like here, we have an issue where I will have to nail this down because this one started coming out. So easy fix for that is just get a hammer and just nail it down. So just pushing that down will help fix that issue, because if you have any gaps like this, there's possibility that rain could go seeping through there and underneath your garage. So friends, those are my 4 tips for you on how to prevent water from going underneath your garage door. Especially here in Washington where it rains a lot, this will greatly help you out if you have heavy rainstorms around your area as well. But if you have any tips or tricks that you want to share with the community, please feel free to comment down below and share it with us. We would like to know as well. And don't forget friends, if you found this video super helpful and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.